Put your hand up if you're trying really hard and you feel like you're getting nowhere. Put your hand up. Yeah, I'm talking to you. If you didn't, that's okay. That's great. Happy for you. But most people, I'd say 90% of people would have raised their hand then and nodded away, going, yep, that's me. And I want to tell you why you're doing it. You're overcompensating. We had this conversation in a coaching call very recently about never do something from a place of overcompensation. What does overcompensating mean? Basically, it means we're doing something because there's a lack thereof inside of ourselves. It's like, I've lost this, so I must gain this. Or, this really, really sucks. And so I need to go and change it right now. And Ash, you said it just before we went on air. What did you say to me that I thought was really good about overcompensating? When we get something that we don't like, we just want to get rid of it or something like that.
Yeah, I think we were saying how it's such a natural human behavior. Of course, when we so desperately want to get something back specifically, or something that we just are needing, of course, we're going to be sort of grappling and trying to do it perfect, right? Trying to get it right, especially if we're suffering in any way or we're feeling really challenged. I feel like as a human, it's almost a bit of a natural thing to go, well, how can I get it right? Because I want things to change as soon as possible. What are the steps? Give me the template. What can I do? What do I need to change? What do I need to tweak? Give me this perfect situation.
Yeah, give it to me yesterday.
Give it to me yesterday. Exactly. And so it's with this real intensity of, well, I have to get it right because I don't want to keep going along like this. I don't have the time. I want this to change yesterday.
And I have to speak to this. All or nothing. This is a common pattern that we see with pretty much every single client in our program. Hands up if you're an all or nothing type of person.
Sometimes you might even know it, Sometimes I've even seen in my life, I'm like, no, I'm not an all or nothing person. But then I'll be like, but am I in this situation? It can have undertones.
But especially with people with chronic fatigue syndrome, there's this all or nothing experience, and it's this black and white thinking, perfectionist thinking.